Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It is Nick. How are we all doing? Now this one's a bit different. I'm here with classic Brock and Aidyn, and I don't even know, we're on a farm. That's the best way to put it. I mean, we're just on a farm. It's a kind of a local farm to Melbourne, and you know, it's been here for quite a while, so we're just doing something different for the vlogs, and I think it's a good way to bring the vlogs back. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment down below on what you think of this sort of content, and let us know what you guys want to see us do, or you know, other videos or other vlog styles you want to see me do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and we're just pretty much going to go around and showcase you the farm. Bro, why are they barking at us?
I don't know.
Oi.
They don't like us.
I mean, they look pretty cute, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
And then you got this guy just chilling.
Yeah, he's gone through something.
These two though, they want to bite us.
Yeah.
Do not pat, guys. Do not pat. Yes.
Oh, that's huge.
Dude, you don't
That's it, bro.
Bro, did you see a drop?
Yeah, bro.
Oh!
Why is it so...
It's Ben and Blob. We got.
Oh, fucking hell, this is
We
rough.
got. Wait, hang on.
We paid for this.
We got Blob. We got Blob, and we got Ben. Oh.
This poor dog, bro,
Wait,
has to hang
bro,
out
why
next
is
to
he
these
in
guys.
Wait.
Holy
His dog is the worst roommate.
Dude.
I know they can't smell this, but they're so glad they can't.
You feel happy for them?
What?
You feel happy for them that they can't smell this?
Nah, I'm glad we eat them.
shit.
Hello, doggy. Oi. It's kind of sad you can't even pat him.
What, mate? No. What's your name?
What's your name, big man?
Come on, say it.
On your frame.
Say your name, bro. Ah. Who? The pig?
I guard the animals.
Bro, he's chilling, bro.
Bro, he's
That is
useless.
Ben right there.
Oh.
Good morning, Ben.
Dude, what's this guy?
How you doing, big man? Bro, he gets the whole thing to himself. That's nuts.
A few chicks.
I just got a few. Oh, are they the ones for later?
Yeah.
Damn, big man.
Oi,
He's pretty big.
do something.
Do something?
I can't see you.
Gotta.
Oi, can we cut the cow?
Yeah.
How do you get in, bro? You gotta fucking jump the fence.
Should we like show him the hay?
Oi, mate.
Should we show him the hay? Show him the hay.
Oi, dickhead. It's all there. Come on. I know you want
Bro,
it.
he's breathing.
Mate, come on. Fucking hell.
Bro, these animals are lazy, bro. We came out here at 9 AM.
Mate, we woke up early to see you and you're having a nap. Come on, mate. Get out of bed.
What do you reckon, Aidyn?
Worse than the pigs.
To be honest with you, that's bad.
Fucking hell.
However, once it gets like we've got a lot of goods, guys. For you guys watching, like we've got 4 bags of like what is it, hay and stuff.
Yeah, I don't know. Something.
So depends which animals come. To be honest, as cold as it is, it's actually a really nice day. Like imagine it was pissing down right now.
Oh, nah, bro. Turning around. Wait. We got bags. Come on. Boys.
They're all just chilling.
Come on. Fucking hell. They're lazy, aren't they?
We have to go give them it.
They probably just think we're dickheads.
You reckon?
Bro, we're digging food.
Imagine if someone like walks outside your window and just like laughs at you, mate.
Wait,
That's the
come
same
have
thing.
a bag.
Alright, how are we feeling about these boys? Wait, what is that massive thing though?
Which one?
Like, what's that the big woolly thing?
I think it's
stuck in
hay.
hay, bro.
I thought it was a mammoth, bro. Like
Wait,
like
they're
a
coming to
carcass
us.
Or something they left out.
Wait, they're actually walking up to us.
Oi, boy.
Ah, see, these guys are actually.
Ugh, what the fuck do they put in this thing?
It's like deer. Wait, wait, are they like deer?
weed.
Fucking. Oh, help yourself, why don't you?
Whoa,
Huh?
that-
Bro, he's eating already ate half the bag.
Wait, okay.
Boys, come on.
Wait, that's-
Nah, oi, let him have some.
Bro, oh my.
Fat shit. Bro, your snotty nose is getting in the bag.
Oh.
That's so cute though.
Fat cunts.
Dude, they're so cute.
Wait, let this guy have some. No, I fed you.
Trying to feed the kid.
Bad.
Oh, you see that, fellas? Fucking wet. Nick's having to give him a feed.
I'm getting his noggin scratched. What's on?
Yeah, they're greedy, aren't they?
You like it?
The horns.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Ah, big boy. Bro.
He's got the bag.
Oh no.
No, fuck. He Sigma mailed your
Is that
bag. Nah, it's alright. Bro, if they get cardboard, it's fine. They're fucking dear.
He took the bag. No. Oh no.
He took the.
Oh no, I don't know if that's bad.
He took all of it.
He took. That's not my fault, right?
Nah, he just ripped it in your hands.
He's eating the bag.
Oh yeah, Jesus, hop in.
They are cute though. Pretty cute.
Oh,
They just blow out.
hey,
Oh.
boys. We haven't got any. Oh, we got one bit. Hey, here's
Oi.
some food.
Big man.
You're like, oh. Alright, I was scared that was like electric or something.
No, they wouldn't leave it on though.
Come on, fellas. Get over here.
Wait, hello. Come over here. Man's got the food. What's going on, lads?
Boy,
How we doing this
we
morning?
got a bit of food.
Oh, he's pretty beefy.
Oh, he looks pretty good.
Dude.
Damn, he looks
You
nice.
gotta work your legs out, brother.
This is a low quality feed.
I think it's a kangaroo.
He's not phased by you.
Yeah, it looks like a kangaroo. Yeah,
I think it might be a dog, actually.
You reckon it's a dog?
I think it might be a dog. I don't care that we got food.
Oh, this guy's don't care, yeah.
Fellas, come on.
Man's just literally chilling, bro. Man is chilling.
Volunteer.
Aiden's going in. He's volunteering to take on. It's an emu, surely, right? Or an ostrich. Oh, bro, he's coming.
Fellas, come on, mate. Yeah.
Oh my god, he's big.
Bro, why the
Oh my god, wait, bro, get a bit close. Wait, just stand. Wait. Oh! Wait, no, get the bag. Oh my.
I don't feel like dog.
Oh my god, dude, he's so big.
I don't think
No, no.
I can't
That lasted too.
Oh, shit.
shit.
Dude, how are you meant to hold on the bag without them like going?
The dog, he just came for it.
Oh my.
He knew what he wanted.
Got the straps.
Holy shit, mate. Hey, you're a fucking pig.
Bro, he's crazy.
Thanks, strap.
Dude, they're so big though. Oh my.
Oh, hey,
Oh yeah. Hey.
Oh, shit. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it. Dude, look at his feet. Holy shit.
Dude, they're like dinosaur feet.
Yeah.
Can you zoom in on those?
Crazy.
Look at that. Hey mate.
Hey,
Mate, you've got
Hey, oh, you waved.
Crusty knees.
Wave.
Bro. So thoughts on him? I think he's robbed us the most.
Yeah, he's
He robbed us pretty bad, guys. Like, he's a big dude.
He legit, we like held the bag up in the air like fucking, like we were giving him a peace offering, and he just ripped it out of our hands. Oh no. Like that. Not him. Put it on your hand. Put the feed.
You reckon?
Feed on your hand. Yeah. The horse. Cool. His mouth is way too big to get in the bag.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gross. Dude, we're gonna get run over.
The
Give it
tractor?
like maybe another hour, and we may be dead.
It's pretty fast.
We're gonna have to outrun the tractor.
Wait, holy. They're so cute. You can eat them soon.
When do you reckon they'll be ready to finish cooking?
This one free range.
Free range.
Free range.
Mate, you're eating someone's house.
Probably like the guinea pig's house.
Mate, is he hungry or what?
Bro, he's hungry. Or she. Let's hit the map.
From the north side.
So hit up the kangaroos. It's like a
From the north
DayZ.
side,
It's like a DayZ
Because
hunt.
they're hanging out here in the corner sleeping. I reckon we hit them up from the north side, sneak
Yeah.
up on them,
Yeah.
offer them a bag,
Yep.
and I
Yep.
reckon they'll be ours.
Okay, so Brock, are we
Get the
are
Instagram
we
post.
selling good quality bags today?
Mate, we got some resupplied here.
Yeah.
One of them was free because someone left their bag there.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Dan?
These $2 each for a bag,
Yeah.
which I'd say is pretty good for a bag.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think you'll get it that cheap anywhere else in the world.
Yeah.
But yeah.
That's pretty good.
Apparently the animals love a bag.
All right. Well, there you go, guys. The animals love a good bag. So we're gonna get some Insta photos. Maybe pop them up on the screen for you guys. And yeah, we'll see. Maybe do a little montage for you guys as well. All right. Enjoy. What the hell is going on? Guys, we just got back and this guy's having a fight with the fence.
I think it's because I didn't give him enough.
Give him. Calm him down, bro. Calm him down.
Mate, wait.
Oi, oi. Whoa. Put him out.
Wait again.
Oh my.
Now that I've got food for you.
Okay, bro, we gotta go before they keep eating. Bro, you went full psycho mode.
Whoa, he's the alpha, alright.
Oh, okay, okay. I wish I got that on recording, guys, but pretty much this guy was chill, eating the bag, eating the food out the bag, and then he just ripped it out. He baited us, yeah. And now he's, whoa. Bro, we paid for that, man. Bro,
Relax,
why do these deer hate us?
I think he's frustrated.
Oh, he's not happy.
Mate, if you just lift the bottom up, pour it out, you'll be right.
Got the goods right here. I'm gonna feed that guy.
Fucking hell.
How big, man?
Wait.
Oh. Not really, just like, it was kind of weird. Oh, that hurt. Oh. Guys, I got HIV.
Oh shit.
Oh, bro, he
Took a bit of you took a skin out, bro. Your turn.
You
Alright,
Nick. Dog, look, alright, look, I'm here to feed you. Don't fucking. Ah!
Oh, fucking, that's weird.
Oh, okay.
It's weird, isn't it?
Feels like plastic or something.
Yeah.
Fuck.
What the fuck did we just see?
This?
Dude,
That
was
was
like-
piss. That was
Okay,
piss.
so like we just saw like a dick come out the bum and then piss shit at the same time. I think it was a piss and a shit.
I think you gotta show them for them to understand.
Yeah, guys, the thing is, it was so graphic. I don't think, like, if I showed it, it would have been. I don't think we could have shown that on you. I would have had to blur it.
It's kind of scary how much their dicks look like ours.
Bro,
Like,
wait,
they're
mine
not- I don't know
doesn't.
what
Mine
yours
doesn't
looks
bend like that, bro.
No, but like you can see that they've all got the same blueprint.
Yeah, same blueprint. Same blueprint.
Yeah.
Except.
Like, my dick doesn't come out of my
Okay,
ass.
wait, hang on. Yeah. Guys, that's the reason why we're like, wait. Oh man. Yeah, you like that, don't you? You like that? Hey.
That's the feed, mate.
Damn, we actually tamed him, bro. He was lying down, and we tamed him.
Wait.
Wait, don't ignore me now. He's got a big tongue, bro.
I know, it's massive.
Alright, guys. Well, pretty much what you guys have seen has been the whole farm. To us, it's like decent size, but you can only do so much. So pretty much like the main thing is feeding. We did have a tractor ride, but it is like 3 hours out, so I think we're gonna pass because we've literally walked the we've done the rounds where the tractor ride goes already.
Yeah, we've left it
Yeah.
easily.
So yeah, but no, it's actually been pretty good. Like, what do you guys reckon overall experience?
Yeah, it's good.
Do the zoos do like interactions with animals at all or no?
Probably not with monkeys. I don't know.
Well, maybe not with monkeys, but like with other
Definitely need
things.
to go to Melbourne Zoo. That'd be fun.
Yeah.
But do they let you interact? Well, I know it's the butterfly, like.
Oh well, yeah.
Oh,
I don't know
I
if you
hate
hate
that, bro.
butterflies.
I
Oh
hate
no, we have to
butterflies.
say that, bro.
I fucking hate it.
We'll have to say that. But yeah, I guess we can do Melbourne Zoo. So if you guys want to see Melbourne Zoo, let us know.
Don't trust these guys. Whatever you do. Nah, just
Brock's making a post.
don't trust these guys.